Hello, guys, and welcome back to another episode. And now, in this episode, we are starting to draw our first character, which is this guy. So, drawing our first character comes in so many different ways. We'll be doing a lot of things. So, one of the things that I will tell you before we even start on drawing our character, for me personally, I prefer to start drawing the small things. Then, after drawing the small things, that's when I will go to the second bigger things. So I'll start drawing my head for this. So if like you have a character and you have eyes, I will start I would prefer you to start drawing your eyes before you can draw your body. And you have to make sure you have two layers or two composition layers, then so that you can draw your body on another layer. That's why we had two, that's why I created two composition layers. So let's start drawing the head. Just go straight to custom shape, then I'll just select on the top of the head. This is what I'll be doing, just like that. Then that's our head. After you selected your head, you don't have to do anything. So what you can do is just go straight to this select, click this select, then you can automatically leave you there. Then this black thing will appear. So when this black thing appears, you can double click it. Then after you double click it, you can zoom it just to make sure like everything, your shape is good. So we can zoom out, we zoom in. As I told you guys, we don't have a scroll button to go up and down, so you have to zoom straight to that specific point. So we can adjust our drawing just like that, go straight to the point where you want to go to. Then we use let's say you go to the point and wait for that hand to appear before you turn it. Then you can click here, remove a filler point. That means it will have like a sharp corner. Then if you want to add a sharp corner, you gotta set default control. Then that default control thing will be there. So this corner is sharp, I don't want it to be very sharp, just do it like that. So this is what we will be doing, and you can fix it there and wait for the hand to appear before you move. You wait for your hand to appear, then you can move. So if your hand is not appearing, that means it's still loading. Then we can see from here we have a very black head. So I'll show you one thing. So if your head is black, that means you can click here to change it, then it goes straight to change fill. But that's not what I will be doing right now. What I want you to show you is to come straight to this. Here below you can see outline, and you can see here below outline you can see thickness. Then from thickness you double click on that 0.0, you double click there. After double clicking there, you just go to 0.01, then you click OK. Okay, it's okay. Then after, you have to go straight to your select. You can click your head, you click option, you go to change color, then you go make sure it is selected on solid, then you go straight to that black color. Then you can use this just to go straight to the color that you want. So I want my color to be this color, then you can use this and go straight to that color, then it will change your color. But at the same time, you can use this small circle to change like the color that you want. You can go straight to the color that you want, then you can click OK, then you can click OK. Then our head is changed to that grayish color. Now we gotta go straight to the face. We can use the custom shape again. So before we go straight to the shape, to the face, I will prefer you to go straight to shape 1. You can double click that 1 2. After double click, this box will appear, then you can name like your shape. Let's name it a head. So now I'll be creating the face. So let's draw the face. You go straight to your custom shape again, then you go and do it like that. you just select around the face as we did on our head. Just do it like that, go around the face. Then after doing all of that, gotta go straight to select, click select, then we can double click, then we fix our shape. Just make sure it goes straight the face of your sketch. Just make sure like that. So you can click option because it's too sharp, then you set default control, then it will give you that small curve there. You can also do the same in all. Just wait for the hand to appear, click option, and you set default to all those points so that you can have that sharp curve towards this area. Then we come here, click here, then just try to make it to sound that round. Then you can just click anywhere just to deselect. Then my face is black. Then what you have to do, as I told you already, you can just click option on your face, then you go straight to change fill. Just make sure you select it on solid, then you come here, then I can just click this, or you can just go straight here, then you go to the color that you want. But what I want, I will just click here and select this color. This is generally takes the color that you want. If I click here, it look good, it will just put that specific color, but I want this color, so it will just put that specific color. Then I click OK, then my face will change to the right color. And then I just noticed like my circle doesn't have an outline, so I'll come to that outline, then I go straight to thickness, I double click there, then I put 0.2 right now because I want my outline to be a little bit thicker. Then I'll have an outline. So guys, this is what we'll be doing on the first episode. Then the second episode, I'll be going deep on how to draw the t-shirt, then this towel, and all the heads. So thank you guys, I'll see you on the next episode. But before we leave, we can just double click here, then we'll name this our head. So don't forget to name all your layers, on all our drawing or our shapes. See you on the next time. I'll see you on the next episode. Thank you so much.